Hi, my name is Chase. I'm an incoming junior at Staten Island Technical High School, and for my main project I built the third eye for the blind, which uses an ultrasonic sensor to change the intensity of feedback depending on distance, and I'll show you how it works. So for my second milestone, I essentially had to code the Arduino and build the hand module. And to start off, I did the coding first. So the code basically works by using a bunch of if-else statements to depict a certain specific range that the ultrasonic sensor picks up, and that will depend upon a delay for the feedback, so it changes between different ranges. And as the distance gets shorter, the delay also gets shorter, so the intensity intensifies. And part of the code that I struggled with greatly was this while loop that I had to put in because I wanted a steady beep when below 10 centimeters. And this was a challenge for me because when I would get below 10 centimeters, it would just stay as a constant beep, and I didn't know why. So I realized that I didn't have a way to update the variable distance. So I added a check distance function into the while loop, and now it works perfectly. So the next part of the second milestone was building the actual hand wrap. I started by sewing together a kind of wristband type thing out of elastic wrap, and then I added, for more support, a wrap that goes around your thumb, and then a piece that attaches to your finger and slides in nicely to fit the ultrasonic sensor onto. And to fit this onto the wrap, I use Velcro, which fits very nicely and is very strong. And to power the actual module, I use a battery that I put on my arm using the same wrap for the hand, and I sew this all together myself, and it kind of fits nicely, looks cool. And I struggled also with attaching the vibrating motor to the Arduino because the original motor I had an internal vibration, so I was able to actually put it on my skin and it fell off and it broke. So I had to change the motor, which vibrates on the outside, which was a challenge because I was no longer able to actually touch it or it would stop vibrating. So I created an actual pocket inside the wrap that fits nicely and I could feel it nicely. And I had fun attaching and soldering all of this together because it's satisfying to see everything come together, and it's satisfying to see something actually work that you created. So thank you.